All you need to know about Monkey Balls Monkey NFTs. So guys, in this video, we are going to read about the most awaited Monkey Ball NFTs and the functionality in the game and every other important details which they have mentioned and written in this Medium article. So let's get started right away. So guys, I have pulled out this Medium article from Monkey Ball's Discord server. It was announced, I think, 20 hours ago or something. So in this article, they are saying and they are mentioning every detail about the monkey balls. I mean, look at these guys. This looks really interesting. This is the first NFT football game, and I don't think so. There's any other game right now, not in my knowledge. So holding a monkey NFT and having MBS is critical to play the monkey ball game modes, but even before the game launches, holding them comes with amazing advantages for prior game features such as Pioneer's Gear Up Camp and the in-game store. So guys, they're saying that holding NFTs, these monkey NFTs, they're not only just a JPEGs, just pictures. It will give you many functionality in the game, many perks and many benefit, which we will know in further ahead in this article. So let's keep on going. So these monkey NFTs have stunning and unique appearances. They are the actual players in the monkey ball game and are born with on the field game skills that you can improve over time, thereby increasing their value. So guys, they're saying that, I mean, they not only they look nice, they look unique, but they are born with in-game on the field skills by birth. When you mint these NFTs, they come with on-field game skills which you can improve in the game, and with the time you can increase the value of your player by improving their skills. So every monkey will come with their own particular set of skills. Interesting. So each monkey NFT is born with its own unique genetic composition based on 32 traits and attributes covering its appearance, core skills, and other game perks. The rarity of monkeys and traits range from common to rare to epic to legendary, amounting to nearly 2.5 trillion potential permutations, illustrating the rarity of the monkeys. Oh my god, that's so much details and technicalities they are, I mean, putting into these NFTs. So basically they are saying that there are 32 traits and attributes covering its appearances and everything, which will decide the rarity of your monkey NFTs. That how common and how rare or epic or legendary. They have 4 levels. What it will be having. All right. Okay, so what can we do with my monkey? So if I'm buying, so I will think that what can I do with my monkey? So earn MBS by playing and winning matches. So when you play the matches, when the game launches and you play match and win match, you will be rewarded with the MBS token. So personally, I like this particular point very much, because in many games their in-game currency is different from the main token of the game. But by playing the monkey ball, you are getting this same MBS token, the main token of the game, which is like really good, really good, and breed the next generation of monkeys. So when you play this game, not only you have your own monkey, you can also can get a chance, or you can also breed your monkeys so that you can get another generation of monkeys, and by those monkey you can again play with, include in your team, or you can sell them in the marketplace. Interesting. Look at these things, guys. They have such an amazing functionalities and plans. Manage, take care, and train them to improve performance and skills, increasing the value of the monkeys. Again, we have discussed this point, and right, it's interesting. You can, increase the value of your NFTs by the time by playing it, by getting involved in the game and the community. So, yeah, right. So again, this is the technicality, the how they made the modeling and other things. So you can go ahead and read about this. I'm not getting this covered in this video. Okay. Each monkey NFT is generated based on 32 individual traits and attributes covering the monkey's appearance, alpha score, game skills, and game bugs. Like, it is the summarized version of about the traits, that what traits the monkey will have, and based on the 32 individual traits, they will be they will have their value and their traits according to that. So as you can see, hairstyles, they're saying that they have 32 individual traits, attributes. Somewhere they are talking about hairstyles here. For example, under the monkey's hairstyle trait, there are 20 variations of hairstyles and headgear that your monkey could be born with. Similarly with the color palette and the 35 color palettes. So this is the illustration explaining that. Interesting. And this is again 3D model of the monkey. It's looking nice. Great. On the field gameplay skills. So now they will explain about the gameplays and skills and other things. So monkey core game skills, these are accuracy, passing, defense, and control. These are things related to soccer, of course. And okay, they have given some example. So using the image above as a reference, let's say you shoot the ball at the goal with your striker. Suppose this is your striker and this is the goalkeeper of other team. Your striker's accuracy level is challenged by goalie's defensive skills level. So in the conflict, a random number is selected between 5 and 26 on the striker's side and between 5 to 20 on the goalie's side. The highest number wins the conflict. The number is selected randomly in conflicts is critical, as it means player can't pump money into their monkeys to guarantee victory. There's also strategy and luck involved, as it is in real life games. Having said that, it's important to take care of the monkeys, train them, and play matches in order to increase their skill levels. So, it's randomly when you are playing that, they have created such functionalities which anyone can't buy and make their player like winning player like always. Some numbers are generated randomly. For example, you are goalie and your number randomly you generated 10. In between 5 to 26 you generate 10 and goalie generated 20. So your goalie will defend your ball, and if you're vice versa. All right. So there are 12 potential perks or game action boosters that monkeys can be born with. So these are like skills which your minted monkey can be born with. There is precision shot, boost shot on goal with extra accuracy, protective holding, boost your monkey's ability to control the situation, and flying pass, extreme pressing, pass defending awareness, golden gloves, boost the goalie's ability to defend the goals, and so on, guys. Many of the functionalities. Great, great. Friends, if you think that I'm providing any value and to you regarding this game, you are interested in Monkey Ball, and if you think I'm providing some value to you, then I will really really appreciate some thumbs up, some I mean smash some like buttons for me. It will really it will support the channel, support me. Thank you very much. So what comes with my monkey NFTs? Again, they are going to in depth with this. So these, see the guys, the art, great, it's so dope. Yeah. So when you purchase your monkey NFT, they come with an outline of all traits for their appearances, game skills, and game perks. In addition, they come with an ID number, their generated birth name, gender, parents, date of birth, and profile and full body image. Cool. Huh. So this is the interesting part now, which motivates me and you, can motivate you and me to, I mean, so gear up to buy some initial NFTs. So yeah, become an early monkey pioneer. Being an early monkey pioneer or monkey NFT holder comes with exclusive advantages and early access to the launches of Pioneers Gearing Up Camp. Okay, so what is it? This is where early monkey pioneers or holders can start collecting consumable game items and supplies for free. So maybe if you, I mean, if you are early adopter, early NFT holder, and you play the game, so you will get some consumable supplies in the game for free. So maybe later it will be paid, and you will get it free because you are early holder, early adopters. Taking these items will put you at a crazy advantage once the game is launched. So already you will already have the collect maybe consumable items and all, and it will be it will put you in a great advantage over others when game will be launched. Nice, I like that point. In-game store, this is where Monkey NFT and MBS holders will be able to buy different heavily discounted consumable items and breeding capsules. So yeah, take the note, breeding capsules to take care of or train their monkey players, given an edge and a head start to all players. So also breeding capsule will help breeding the next generation of the monkeys. So yeah, those that have monkeys, yeah, monkeys means monkey NFTs and MBS token, will be able to buy breeding capsule, take two breedable monkeys and breed new generation of monkey balls monkeys. These monkeys can be used as players or sold to other teams. Again, this is a really interesting functionality, really interesting point. I'm pumped up to buy these. Players versus environment game mode, yeah, everything leads up to the first game mode beginning launched where monkey pioneers will be able to play matches against the environment. Nice. So here's the details about the allocations. So pre-sale will have 1,000 monkeys. Public sale through monkeyball.com, their own website, is like 5,000 monkeys, and other giveaways like 1,500 monkeys. Let's go in some details about it so that you guys can know how to buy these. And this is the main point of the video. So guys, keep sticking to the video so that you know how to buy, where to buy these monkeys. Okay. So public sale drop schedule. All monkeys common to rare to epic to legendary are placed the same and are randomly minted per user. Whether your wallet is fat or skinny, everywhere has same odds of getting rare monkey. Additionally, we are limited to the amount of NFTs that can be acquired per wallet address to 4 to prevent hoarding. So they are saying that per user can, I mean, mint 4 NFTs per wallet. To add an extra layer of protection and equal opportunity, we also implemented a robust tech stack to counter bots. All right. On January 4th and 2022, a limited supply of 1,000 Gen 0 Monkey NFT will be fair dropped on the Magic Eden NFT marketplace. So, guys, Magic Eden is a Solana based marketplace. Yeah, number one Solana marketplace and best partner for marketing exposure. So first 1,000 pre-sale NFTs will be available on this marketplace called Magic Eden NFTs. Okay, on 4th of the January. So mark the dates. On 6th of the January, the monkeys NFTs will be available on the monkeyball.com website. So yeah, they will list on Magic Eden and monkeyball.com on January 6th, 4th on 2 Sol each. So both times the price will be the same, 2 Sol. Okay, so yeah, now you know the dates, places, and the price. So now you know. So guys, I mean, collect your soul and get ready to shop some monkeys. I mean, now we have every point to decide and to buy these crazy monkeys. Holiday Monkey NFT giveaway. Yeah. Right now, it's some NFT giveaways are also going on. I mean, they have announced on their Twitter and their Discord also. Last but definitely not least, to celebrate the holiday season and the upcoming NFT drop on the 4th and 6th, starting December 24th, we will be airdropping one monkey NFT per day until the end of the year, meaning 8 monkey NFTs will be airdropped to 8 lucky winners in our community every day up to and including December 31st, 2021. Stay tuned. Monkey glued to our channel for further information. Yeah. So guys, I will leave the link of this Medium article in my description so that you can take a look and details about all of this. All right. Schedule and summaries also, again, they have mentioned again. So yeah, so this concludes this today's topic, everything about Monkey Ball NFT guide. So I think we have covered all the necessary details. So let me know in the comments, and if you want to start, you want to buy these or anything related to these. All right. And please, if you're getting some value, please subscribe and like this video, guys.